Every month, we engineer hundreds of new parts that solve common automotive problems. This month, we're proud to release 303 new aftermarket solutions, including many that redesign repairs and improve on original manufacturer designs. The ABS control module on certain GM vehicles fails when its internal components wear out. A lack of core supply makes remanufactured units almost impossible to obtain. Dorman's OE FIX ABS control module is 100% new, so there's never a core to worry about, and it's made in our advanced electronics manufacturing facility in the United States. It also has a thicker circuit board to prevent future damage and a faster processor for improved performance. When the suspension air compressor on Jeep Grand Cherokees stops working, it's usually because of excess moisture in the cylinder damaging the plastic piston. This Dorman OE FIX air compressor features an aluminum piston for greater durability and upgraded seals to prevent moisture intrusion. This complete assembly includes new brackets, dryer, air filter boxes, and sound insulation for a ready-to-install repair solution. Moisture, road salt, and other debris can cause catastrophic rust damage on the fuel tank crossmembers on Chevy and GMC pickups. This rear fuel tank crossmember is a direct replacement for the original equipment part, restoring a secure mounting point for the fuel tank as well as chassis reinforcement. Made of heavy-gauge, stamped steel, it's finished in a corrosion-resistant paint and bolts into place for an easy repair with no special tools required. The original equipment coolant crossover pipe used on various Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles equipped with 3.2 and 3.6-liter V6 engines is made of plastic, which becomes brittle over time and leads to leaks. This Dorman OE FIX replacement is made of durable aluminum for a more permanent, leak-free repair. This new crossover pipe includes a new gasket for a complete repair solution. The four-wheel drive disconnect on some Chevy, GMC, and Isuzu SUVs fails when the pin on the shift fork breaks. This Dorman OE FIX disconnect is a complete new assembly that replaces the original unit, but it features an upgraded forged shift fork with a larger contact pad for greater durability. There's no need to disassemble the original disconnect unit just to replace the worn shift fork, saving you time and aggravation. These are just a handful of this month's innovations. We also have over 30 new drive shaft assemblies, 8 replacement catalytic converters with integrated exhaust manifold, and 8 new parking brake lever kits for a variety of popular vehicles on the road today. Remember, before you buy from the dealer, check Dorman first. Sign up to receive our monthly new product announcements by email at dormanproducts.com. Thanks for watching. Join us next month to see our latest new innovative solutions.